In this video, we will teach your child how to do subtraction using their fingers. By using their fingers, children can better understand the concept of subtraction and visualize the process of taking away or subtracting a certain number of items. Subtraction is the process of taking away a number from another. It is denoted by this symbol. Now let us use this example to find the difference. 8 minus 3. Now let's understand the terms used in subtraction to find the difference. We have written the same thing vertically to find the difference. The first number, the top one which is called minuend, the bottom one which is called subtrahend. Subtrahend is the part that you take away. We are left with difference. So the difference is the final result after subtracting the subtrahend from minuend. Now let us count the fingers in your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So using these 10 fingers, we are going to learn subtraction now. In case of subtraction, you always need to start with the top number. The top number which is called minuend. What is the number mentioned in the top? It is 8, which means you need to open 8 fingers. You pull out 8 fingers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So always start with your top number, that is minuend. We have 8, so we have pulled out 8 fingers. Now we have to take away number 3, which means you need to fold down 3 fingers. So 1, 2, 3. We are left with 5 fingers after folding 3 fingers. So the answer to the subtraction problem is the number of fingers still standing, which is 5 here. So write down the result here, which is 5. Now we are going to calculate what is 9 minus 7. The top number, that is the very first number which is minuend. The second number which is subtrahend. We are going to find the difference between 9 and 7. So as I said, we always need to start with the top number which is minuend. We have number 9, which means you need to pull out 9 fingers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers we need to fold down? Which is 7. We need to fold down 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are left with 2 fingers. So the answer to the subtraction problem is the number of fingers still standing. 2. So write down 2 here. So the difference between 9 and 7 is 2. Now we are going to find the difference between 10 and 4. The first number which is called minuend, The second number, which is 4, is called subtrahend. We are going to find the difference between 10 and 4 now. How many fingers we need to pull out? Number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers we need to fold down? 4. So out of 10, we need to fold 4 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So after folding 4 fingers, how many fingers are still standing? Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 standing fingers. So the difference between 10 and 4 is 6. Thank you so much for watching this video.